Sometimes when I eat pizza, my stomach makes all sorts of weird noises afterwards. Kinda sounds like it's farting, but like it's not farting, okay? It's my stomach. But anyway, last night I held the phone down and I got it on video. Listen. Is this normal? Is it not normal? Should I not eat pizza? Like, I love pizza. What's happening?
First of all, Karen, we love you. We appreciate all the work you do. I also am worried about how stressed out Karen is about her pizza eating and the good old-fashioned borborygmi she's hearing. That's a medical term for all those sounds that your belly makes after it's digesting a meal, and it's perfectly normal.
Yes, it is.
Absolutely.
In fact, it's if you make no sounds, then something is wrong.
That means your food isn't moving through your digestive tract, and that's really important.
We should have gotten Karen a stethoscope to be able to listen. Then she really would have heard an orchestra, because I mean there are a lot of sounds going on down there, and it just has to do with your bowel function, your GI function, process of digesting food.
You know, and to think about it, your intestines, no one realizes this, but huge muscle, smooth muscle. It's called peristalsis, and it's literally digesting food. You're moving that food down as you eat it, and it's kind of cool. If you ever go to see the doctor, they almost always will take the stethoscope and put it on your belly, and when they do that, they're listening for these sounds. What's really cool though, the ones that you can't hear audibly without the stethoscope, you know, the ones that are like, just like the most it'll be, it's just like the most random sounds ever.
It is, but interestingly, there are things you can do to decrease some of the noises, especially if you're like me and you're lactose intolerant. A lot of things that create gas in your gut will create that noise. So if you are lactose intolerant, avoid the lactose, obviously. Things like carbonated drinks, artificial sweeteners, and certainly just things that you know don't agree with you. Like, I hate to say it, if you're lactose intolerant and you're eating that pizza, it's probably going to make the noises worse. But if you're not, eat that pizza. I'm right there with you. And
well, no, and also, let's call a spade a spade. Pizza tends to be, although you can make pizza obviously very light and thin, but pizza tends to be a bit of a heavier meal. And if you think about it, a heavier meal, your digestive tract is going to have to do a little more work to digest it and move it along. So those big heavy meals where you're like, I feel it. It's going to let you know.
Yeah.
For sure. And as we said, perfectly normal. We want to hear those sounds. Yeah. If we don't hear bowel sounds, that tells us there could be a bowel obstruction.
Absolutely.
The process of the intestines working shuts down. It could be a sign of peritonitis, something going on in the abdominal cavity. So that's why we listen, and that's why we want to hear those sounds.
I love it.